$500,000 payday for cop claiming she was sexually groomed. Let's roll the tape.
Eyebrow-raising sex scandal that rocked the Laverne Police Department. We first told you about the mess in January of last year. The shocking details sounded like a bad movie script, made national news as 5 officers and then the police chief all fired. The city then found itself facing a lawsuit filed by a former female officer. Well, tonight word comes the city has settled the case with a hefty payment. Our Nikki Hauser heard directly from city leaders.
Listen, bro. Listen, this is very important.
There's a war going on outside. No man is safe from.
There's a war going on outside, bro. You got to be careful about who you messing with. The work husband knows your wife, your significant other, your other half better than you. She has to spend a third of her day flirting with this nigga. You guys hear about this? This is the lady right here. This is the lady who had 4, 5 work husbands, black at that, give her a $500,000 payday. Let's go back.
After that scandal, former police officer Megan Hall sued the city. Then tonight, over a year later, the city of Laverne held a special meeting in which they decided they would pay out Megan Hall $500,000, officially ending that lawsuit.
Motion to approve as it is written here.
It took less than 5 minutes.
No.
Alderman Hobbs?
Aye.
Alderman Hobbs?
Aye.
Vice Mayor Dunn?
Aye.
Motion passes.
For the Laverne city leaders to say yes, they'll pay former police officer Megan Hall $500,000.
What message?
This broad had 5 work husbands, all defiled by black men and brown men, and she got paid $500,000. What kind of shit is this, bro?
Is that saying to all the other employees?
Alderman Dennis Waldron was the only dissenting vote.
He's sending a message out to everybody in the world, said, come to Laverne, sue Laverne because they're going to settle.
The city as a whole now agreeing to pay Hall, but denying any admission of liability.
It's hard being in the minority.
This after the story of the Laverne police sex scandal exploded early last year, revealing a pattern of inappropriate activity inside the department. Reports detail sex between officers on duty and on city property, intimate photos and videos shared among officers, and silence from the police chief, who is
shit is real. Okay? Shit is real. 5 men who know your other half better than you do is the work husband. This lady got awarded $500,000. Is it worth it to lose your job for a piece of pussy? Are you that thirsty that you're willing to affect or jeopardize your career over some pussy? And she got awarded $500,000 for it. She claimed that 5 men sexually groomed her to do these inappropriate things. There's a war going on outside, bro. And I'm letting you know right now, if you're a man, you're masculine, you want to be masculine, you want to be a quote unquote alpha, you want to be the best version of yourself, nobody's going to help you. Okay. They either want you to do goofy shit. They want you to be feminine. They want you to emasculate yourself. I'm not doing it. Okay. All the podcasts, for the most part, are promoting dumb shit. Everyone's following each other. Everyone's talking about stupid balloon popping and shit like that. How is that helping us? I can't do it, bro. At the end of the day, you can control some things, and there are certain things that you can't. As far as women are controlled, you're supposed to walk these bitches off the leash.
Clued into what was happening.
Convince her to engage in sexual activity that she didn't want to.
Hall and her lawyer claim it was a hostile work environment that groomed her.
While I was aspiring to protect my community, the Laverne Police Department was not protecting me.
She, along with 4 other officers and the police chief, were fired. Hall talked to News Channel 5 about the affair early last year.
I know what most people are saying. You know, you could have said no. I get it.
Duh, bitch. You see what she said? I could have said no,
Bitch, this isn't the 80s. You need to catch a dick.
but yet you still get awarded $500,000. The police chief and 4 other brown men got fired for this snow bunny. Shit is real. Pay attention.
But my response to them is that I did say no, and he wouldn't take it for an answer.
All 5 didn't take it for an answer? Okay.
Eventually, I gave in from pressure.
Wednesday's vote ends both Hall's lawsuit against the city and against 3 of her former superiors in the department,
We have improved a lot.
as the city still works to rebuild trust in the public eye. Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.
Guys, do me a favor. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video. This is an important show. Cash at me, Alpha Villains, or send in a super chat. You got to be careful. There are several men out there who know your lady better than you
If
do.
there's some mothers in here, bro, please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this gonna forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keep them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like, for real, like, let him see his child, because I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our mom so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find y'all father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father, you feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.